we want to look at websites where you can learn high in demand digital skills, high in demand skills that can help you to make money online today. So there are lots of websites where you can learn this. The number one we will be looking at is Free Code Camp. In Free Code Camp, you will see data visualization, you learn about back-end development, data analytics, Python, information security, machine learning, and lots of them. Free Code Camp is actually for whoever that want to get into coding. You can actually come to Free Code Camp and learn how to code. Another website where you can learn skills, be it digital skills or tech skills that will help you make money online or get a new job that you're looking for, is Hotpot Academy. In Hotpot Academy, you can learn AI for marketers, you can learn data management, you can learn email marketing, you can learn building your business with content, like becoming a content writer or content creator and things like that. Like, there are a lot of them, and inside here you can see categories, so you can either go for sales courses, marketing courses, website design, website development, lots of them. Another website where you can learn, where you can get free skills and use it to get a job or start your own business, is Google Digital Courage. Here we can see fundamentals of digital marketing, improve your online business security, understand the basics of code, make sure customers find you online, business communication, and lots of skills. So don't give an excuse that you don't have a skill. You want to become a freelancer, you want get a good job, and you are given an excuse that you don't have a skill. There are lots of websites where you can get skills today. Another one you can check out also is Audacity. Inside Audacity here we have data science, programming and development, artificial intelligence, courses under business, product management, cloud computing. Like, interesting. This is so interesting. We have data preparation, Gemini app. Like, if you also want to learn about AI, most popular courses: introduction programming, data analytics, digital marketing, data scientist, deep learning, computer vision, whatever it is that you are looking for, it is here. You can just come here and check the catalog or go to business depending on the course you want to look for, and you will see lots of them. Okay, so another one you can learn is another website where you can learn skills is Allison. Come here, you can see free courses that you can do, either courses under health. We have IT courses, 1,120 IT courses. So interesting. How about health? 899 courses. How about languages? 310 courses. Business, 1,570. Management, 932. Like, lots of them. So don't be giving excuses that you don't have a skill, and people that are offering courses are charging too much and the rest. Just come to this website that I have listed here. Come to them, explore the courses here, and then choose anyone that interests you the most. Learn it. Then you can also use YouTube, like the way you are watching this one now. You are learning. You can also use YouTube and come to YouTube and check for courses to learn. Okay, check for courses to learn. Then when you learn, start from there. Then when you start from there, keep improving. You can start offering people services for free, and by that time you'll be mastering your skills. Then you can get 1 or 2 jobs. With those jobs you've gotten, with the money you've made from those jobs, you can now pay for a paid course or do a paid training to advance the skills you've gotten. Now I think I've given you the free websites you will use to get that skill you are looking for, those high income skills you are looking for that will help you to make money online. Now try them out and leave a comment for me in the comment section how you see this video, or if it actually worked for you. All right, bye. See you in my next video. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I post next time, you'll also be notified.